Hello and welcome to your pottery. It's been fired at Simon Maskell Ceramics. Glaze firing video number 25. Let's have a look. From Jodie we have a bowl and matching spoon. Very nice, picture of a panda. She's also made a wool dispenser with a cat's face, some Christmas tags, gift tags with names on. Her daughter Caitlin, who I think was 14, has made 4 items on the pottery wheel. Caitlin's first time on the pottery wheel, she did really well. Not everybody can get to grips with it, especially straight away to start producing items. So she's turned this one into a mug and nicely decorated these bowls. Pink and white slip with a clear shiny glaze. Jo has made a soup bowl. Blue-grey glaze. Claire has done some very nice plant holders. That's quite a favourite design of people, that wallpaper impression. White shiny glaze. It's a good glaze to use for cooking, things you're cooking, because it's always cleans up really nicely. Things seem to find it hard to stick to. From Sheila and Andrew. Andrew's made this face mug with the jasper glaze, which gets very drippy. You can see just there it's run down the handle and dripped off onto the kiln shelf. So I did wipe it back, maybe a little bit too much in places, but still nice effect. Some nice reds inside. Sheila's decorated bowl. It's good. A wee hinged pot from Peter. It's going to have a wire going through it to hinge it. Also from Peter, another top to his salt and pepper pot. The last one bowed, so we put a support in this time to stop it from bowing. From Jessie, very nice planter. Good contrasts in the way she's decorated it with slips, matte glaze, matte transparent glaze. I laid it down not because it won't stand up, just to show off the pattern. Catches the light better. From Heather, a mushroom top. You can balance that on a stick and it'll wade around in the wind. But I think she's actually produced some stalks in pottery for that. That's quite a good glaze. That's turquoise satin. It's given a good contrast. From Sue, a bowl in olive green. This time you can see the trees. The last one she did, the glaze was a bit thick and it wiped out her pattern. From Elaine, a bird bath. Some blue melted glass in the bottom of it. Gives a nice impression of water. And a wee robin sitting on the edge. From me, I've done a few more mugs. Quite like this one. Hollow handle. Various slips. They're all for sale. Also on holiday, sitting in a restaurant, I saw a platter on the wall, so I took a photograph and tried to reproduce it. Hasn't come out too badly. This red on the fins, I didn't expect that to come out so bold. Working with coloured slips, which are stains mixed in with the clay, it's a bit like working, but like working with oil colours. But they do change once it's glazed. From Joan, a bowl, very nice bowl, cereal bowl. And also from Elaine, I think I missed these out, these spoons. Coloured slips, shiny glaze. This one drooped a little bit in the kiln because it's quite long, but still survived. And last but not least, from Emmanuelle, she's done this mug. She put some coloured slips in the on some of these, which you can see has come through the olive green shiny. They've come out really well. They did those in one session to celebrate their pottery anniversary, which is number 9. And her husband Andrew, who did this mug with the dishcloth pattern. You roll the dishcloth into the clay and you get this pattern. Also in olive green shiny. Good result from them for one session. I think that's about it. Don't think I've missed anything. Thank you again for watching this video and look forward to talking to you again in the next one. Take care.